Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to save picture from Pinterest to gallery. So simply, first of all, install the Pinterest app in your cell phone and then you have to create Pinterest account. I have already account, so simply I have opened this. So here you will open the picture and now what you need to do, yes, you can also share on WhatsApp. Click on save. Now click on the top three dots here and you can see download image option. Just click here on download image. Now allow storage to save your photos in gallery. Simply now click on the allow button. So here you can see our image is downloaded. Now we'll check in gallery. Now simply open the photos or gallery option in your cell phone. Now go to album. Now check into pins. So here you can see our photo is finally successfully saved into gallery.